Best RC Boats. Are you looking for the best RC boats? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC boats on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ALPHAREV RC Boat with Caser 308. The ALPHAREV RC Boat R308 is a high-speed remote control boat designed for both pool and lake use. Capable of reaching speeds over 32 plus kph, this boat is an excellent choice for racing enthusiasts, whether adults or kids. It operates using a 2.4 GHz frequency, which ensures stable control without interference from other boats, allowing for seamless, competitive racing. The boat is built for fun and durability, offering a great summer water toy experience. One of its key features is the portable suitcase that comes with the boat. This compact carrying case makes it easy to transport the boat and its accessories, perfect for on-the-go play. Whether you're heading to a pool or a lake, the suitcase keeps everything organized and secure. The boat itself is made of water-resistant materials to ensure longevity during outdoor use. Designed with both adults and kids in mind, the R308 offers a user-friendly experience, making it accessible for beginners while still providing the performance required by more experienced RC boat hobbyists. It's an ideal gift for summer play, offering an engaging way to enjoy the outdoors. With the capability to perform in various water settings and the ease of control, this RC boat delivers a fun and exciting water adventure for boys and girls of all ages. The ALPHAREV RC Boat R308 is perfect for anyone looking to have a thrilling experience on the water, whether you're racing against friends, exploring lakes, or just enjoying a relaxing time by the pool. Its sleek design, fast speed, and ease of use make it a top choice for RC boat enthusiasts and casual players alike. Number 2. DEERC RC Boat with LED Light. The DEERC RC Boat is a high-performance remote control boat designed for use in pools and lakes, offering exciting speed and action for kids and adults alike. This boat can reach speeds of 20 plus mph, providing thrilling racing experiences on the water. It features a 2.4 GHz frequency, ensuring smooth, interference-free control, even when racing alongside other boats. With self-righting functionality, the boat is designed to quickly return to an upright position if it flips, ensuring minimal downtime and uninterrupted fun. Equipped with LED lights, the DEERC RC Boat adds a visual flair, making it an excellent choice for evening or nighttime play, as the lights shine brightly in the water. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries, allowing for up to 30+ minutes of continuous play, depending on conditions. This extended playtime ensures longer adventures without the need to frequently recharge. Perfect for water enthusiasts of all ages, the DEERC RC Boat is not only fast but also incredibly durable. Its sturdy design makes it well-suited for both beginners and experienced users, while its lightweight construction ensures easy handling. Whether you're racing with friends or casually exploring a pool or lake, this boat offers a fun and interactive experience. The boat's self-righting mechanism, LED lights, and dual battery system make it a standout choice among RC boats, ideal as a pool toy or gift for kids. Whether for birthday gifts or as a summer watercraft, the DEERC RC Boat delivers a fantastic and long-lasting water toy experience, combining speed, stability, and visual appeal in one exciting package. Number 3. Altair Aerial AA102 RC Boat. The Altair AA102 Red RC Boat is a high-speed remote control boat designed for pools and lakes, offering a thrilling experience with speeds up to 30 km/h. Ideal for both beginners and advanced users, this ultra-fast pro-caliber boat delivers impressive performance on the water. It operates with a 2.4 GHz frequency, ensuring stable control without interference from other boats. Safety is a top priority with the water safety propeller, which is designed to reduce the risk of injury, especially for younger users. The boat also features a self-righting system, meaning it can automatically flip itself back to an upright position if it capsizes, ensuring continuous play and minimal downtime. This makes it a great choice for both experienced hobbyists and kids, as it's easy to maintain control and keep the fun going. The Altair AA102 comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, offering extended playtime on the water. With each battery providing a decent amount of use, you can enjoy more than 30 minutes of action before needing to recharge. This makes it a perfect choice for uninterrupted fun at the lake or pool. Additionally, the boat is available with free priority shipping, and the company is based in Lincoln, Nebraska, providing easy access to customer support for users. Whether you're racing or simply cruising around, the Altair AA102 Red RC boat provides a reliable and exciting watercraft experience for both kids and adults. Its combination of speed, safety features, and self-righting technology makes it a standout in the world of remote control boats. Number 4. Force One Velocity H102. The Force One Velocity Blue Fast RC boat is an exciting remote control boat designed for use in both pools and lakes, providing a thrilling experience for both kids and adults. With its sleek design and high-speed capabilities, this underwater RC speedboat can deliver fast and responsive action on the water, making it a great choice for racing enthusiasts or casual water play. Operating with a 2.4 GHz frequency, the Velocity Blue ensures stable and interference-free control, allowing multiple boats to race together without disruption. It is built to be user-friendly, making it suitable for beginners while still offering enough speed and performance for more experienced users. The boat comes equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, which provide extended playtime and allow you to continue enjoying your adventures without frequent recharging. One of the key features of the Force One Velocity Blue is its durability and water-resistant design, making it ideal for various water settings. It is perfect for racing in pools or lakes, offering impressive agility and speed to navigate around obstacles or take on friends in thrilling competitions. The boat's compact size also makes it easy to transport and store, adding convenience to its portability. Whether you're seeking a mini RC boat for fun outdoor activities or a gift for a child or adult, the Force One Velocity Blue is a solid choice. Its combination of speed, reliability, and ease of use makes it an ideal option for anyone looking to enjoy exciting, high-speed water adventures. Number 5. Cheerwing RC Racing Boat. The Cheerwing RC Racing Boat is a high-speed remote control boat designed for both adults and kids, offering an exciting and fast-paced water adventure. With its sleek, racing-inspired design, this boat is perfect for pool and lake use, delivering impressive speeds and an engaging experience for users of all ages. Operating on a 2.4 GHz frequency, the Cheerwing RC boat ensures reliable and interference-free control, allowing multiple boats to race simultaneously without signal issues. Its speed and agility make it ideal for racing or just having fun on the water. The boat is built for durability, designed to handle high-speed maneuvers and withstand outdoor conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. This RC boat is particularly suitable for beginners and experienced hobbyists alike, offering a balance of power and control. It is easy to operate, with user-friendly controls that allow for sharp turns and quick acceleration, making it enjoyable for younger users while still providing plenty of excitement for adults. The boat's waterproof construction makes it safe to use in various water environments, whether you're racing on a lake or navigating through a pool. The Cheerwing RC Racing Boat comes with a rechargeable battery, offering decent playtime on the water. Its compact size makes it easy to transport and store, allowing for convenient take-along fun wherever you go. Overall, the Cheerwing RC Racing Boat is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-speed remote control boat that's easy to control, durable, and delivers fast, thrilling racing experiences on the water. It's an ideal gift for both kids and adults, offering hours of water fun and excitement.